What is up, guys? Man, we are out here playing in the streets downtown Elkhart. I'm sitting here with Criminal Car Club. We are out today in the rain. That is Heather Null from My Crew Car Club in the Camaro. Man, that thing is nasty. But guys, check it out. Criminal Car Club right here. We're gonna get this flipped around so you guys can check it out. Bam, there they are. Criminals all lined up right here. I'm in the street. Check them out. The Volkswagen. Yeah. They're out here today. They still playing in the rain. You know, Michael, check him out. We got his Criminal here. We got the Trailblazer parked right here. Chino was sitting here. That's where we did the video from a minute ago, but check him out. He got the Mustang, and you guys, for real, check it out. I'm out here in the street, in the rain. We doing the thing, man. Criminal Car Club out here hanging out. My crew, they're right down there at McDonald's. I don't know if you can see them, but they down there. We're gonna go see them, check them out in a minute. We're gonna get a video of them lined up down there at McDonald's, and I think everybody's eating, so I'm gonna grab some grub too. Might as well. Check them out. The murder car. That's what she calls it. Check it out, and everybody out here just hanging out, man. There's Rob and Logan. They come out to hang out with us. There they are. Again, the profile on them. There it is. Woo! Charles, Michael, there they are. Trailblazer sitting here. We was making noise a minute ago. We gonna get the back and the side of his head, make him feel uncomfortable about it. But everybody's out here, man. Check them out.
Now you want to go down to 1-0, just don't scar ants, go to 1-0.
Ooh, you got a little wom. You hear him? You hear him? Check it out. They got this statue right here. Check it out. But everybody out here, Criminal Car Club, that's what's up. There's Charles right there. What up, man?
What's up?
Out here in the rain.
Yeah.
Criminal, kicking it.
Melt.
Nope, they ain't melting. There it is. They just out here hanging out. We're gonna get them on this side this time. Yeah. See? There we go. Everybody's out here. See, they sitting here hanging out. There go Chino right there. You see him? He rolling past. Yeah. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. Criminal Car Club right here, and check it out. Downtown Elkhart, Indiana. It's the annual cruise in, but they kind of rained out, but there's still a turnout, guys. I'm telling you, if there wasn't rain, this street would be Piznack. Hey, there go Breezy right there. There she go, there she go. Man, but that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. We're still out here in the street, like an intersection, kicking it. That's what it is, Criminal Car Club. Keep on trapping, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one.